Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another quick video. So I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone, and in today's video I'll be showing you how you can show or hide your caller ID. Okay, so first of all, just open up the dialer and then select the 3 pins in the top right hand corner and then go into the settings. And then scroll down to where it says Supplementary Services. Select it. Then here at the top you will see Show Your Caller ID. Go ahead and select it. And by default it's set to Network Default. So that means it's always going to show your caller ID. However, if you want to hide your caller ID, just select Never. And now when you try to call somebody, your number will be hidden and it will come up as private. Or if you select Always, when you call somebody, your phone number will always show. So yeah, that's it. That's how you either show your caller ID or you hide your caller ID on the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G Android phone. I hope this video helped you out. If it did do, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me on the TikTok. I'm out. See you in the next one. Deuces.